Hi everyone, so welcome back once again to another class of PIB Current Affairs. In today's class, in this particular class, we are going to talk about the PIB news from 18th to 23rd of October 2025, which was left जो कि बीच में रह गया था because of the RBI Grade B Phase 1 examination. But I know a lot of people are now targeting the SBI clerk mains, and as we have as we saw in the IBPS PO examinations, a lot of questions were directly from the PIB current affairs. So there are high chances कि SBI में भी PIB करंट अफेयर्स से क्वेश्चंस आने के चांसेस हैं. एंड वैसे भी जो आरबीआई ग्रेड बी फेज 2 के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, तो बट मैं आपको एक चीज पहले बता देता हूँ. जो बीच में बैकलॉग छूटा था दैट वाज फ्रॉम 12th अक्टूबर टू 23rd ऑफ अक्टूबर बिकॉज ऑफ फेज 1 करंट अफेयर्स. जनरली मेरा कोई बैकलॉग रहता नहीं है, आपको पता ही होगा. एक वीडियो में एक पार्ट इसकी बैकलॉग की देख चुका हूं जिसमें हमने करा था 12th अक्टूबर से 17th अक्टूबर. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू कवर द पीआईबी न्यूज फ्रॉम 18th to 23rd of October. And as you know, this was the Diwali week, तो obviously there are not enough news, but जो भी है काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. So let's start the class, my dear friends, without any delay. ठीक है जी, सबसे पहले वन सेकेंड. या सबसे पहला जो न्यूज है दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन मर्कोसुर ग्रुप. व्हाट इज इट? मर्कोसुर. ठीक है, इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. डोंट वरी, सबसे पहले विल टॉक अबाउट दैट व्हाई इज इट इन न्यूज. सो इट इज इन न्यूज माय डियर फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज India and Brazil agreed to expand their existing trade agreement. ठीक है, India and Mercosur group actually. India and Brazil, these countries have agreed to expand their existing trade agreement between India and the Mercosur bloc. ठीक है, अब ये जो इन्होंने डिसाइड किया है क्या करेंगे क्या नहीं करेंगे दैट इज अभी हमारे इसमें न्यूज में नहीं आया है. ठीक है, बट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दिस Mercosur group because in RBI grade B you know that there is a topic in the syllabus of ESI, International Economic Institutions and Regional Institutions. ठीक है, तो ये रीजनल इंस्टीट्यूशन है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो ये है क्या मर्कोसुर ग्रुप दोस्तों? इट इज अ सदर्न कॉमन मार्केट, राइट, विच इज कॉल्ड एज मर्कोसुर फॉर इट्स स्पेनिश इनिशियल्स. तो अब इसके स्पेनिश की जो फुल फॉर्म है, ऑफ कोर्स वो मैं ना बोल पाऊंगा ना आप कभी याद कर पाओगे. ठीक है ना, तो मर्कोसुर ही रखते हैं. बट इसका अगर आपसे पूछा जाए दैट what is Mercosur, so you can just simply tell that it is Southern Common Market, which is a South American regional economic organization. It is a South American regional economic organization, and the objective of this particular organization, my dear friends, is to ensure the free movements of goods, services, capital, and human beings. ठीक है, human resources, goods, services, capital, and human resources, and it became a customs union in the month of January 1995. ठीक है, it was created in 1991 by the signing of Treaty of Ascension, and there are two official languages of Mercosur group. These are Spanish and Portuguese. ठीक है, talking about the member countries, so it started with 4 member countries. These were Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay and Uruguay. ठीक है, later on Bolivia and Venezuela joined. ठीक है, लेकिन since December 1st 2016 the membership of Venezuela has been suspended. राइट, मर्कोसुर के अंदर एसोसिएट मेंबर्स भी हैं. दीज आर चिले, कोलंबिया, इक्वाडोर, गयाना, पेरू एंड सुरिनाम. these are classified or these are identified as the associate members of Mercosur group. Clear? The headquarters of Mercosur group is in Montevideo, which is in Uruguay, and it is the 4th largest integrated market after European Union, NAFTA and ASEAN. So it holds some significance because it is the 4th largest integrated market in the world after European Union, NAFTA and ASEAN. All right. Then what is the governance process, or what is the governance structure of Mercosur group? So there is a common market council of this particular group. What is it? Common Market Council, which is the highest decision making body of this group, right? And it provides a high level forum for coordinating foreign and economic policy, and majorly it is a type of economic organization which takes care of the trade between the countries, the economic relations between the countries, right? The group consists of foreign and economic ministers of each member states or their equivalents, and the decisions of this particular Common Market Council is taken are made by consensus. इसमें वोटिंग का ऐसा नहीं है कि इस कंट्री के पास ज्यादा वोट है या इसका वो ज्यादा वोट है, नहीं. जो डिसीजन होते हैं दैट आर मेड बाय कंसेंसस, right? And the presidency of the group rotates every 6 months among its full member. एंड इंडिया और मर्कोसुर के रिलेशन जो है वो 2004 से शुरू हुए थे. द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन इंडिया एंड मर्कोसुर started in the year 2004 when India signed a preferential trade agreement with Mercosur group in the year 2004. क्लियर? ठीक है जी, तो ये था मर्कोसुर ग्रुप दोस्तों. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. ठीक है जी, क्वेश्चंस मैंने नहीं बनाए बिकॉज ठीक है हम बिना क्वेश्चंस के भी कर सकते हैं. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. नेक्स्ट इज सीता स्कीम व्हिच हैज बीन launched by UIDAI, that is Unique Identification Authority of India. What is the full form of SITA? SITA is Scheme for Innovation and Technology Association with Aadhaar. Scheme for Innovation and Technology Association with Aadhaar. And as the full form says, this scheme is all about integrating technology into Aadhaar, inviting the academia, the industry leaders to create new technologies, to innovate, so that we can create a new high-tech ID system. ठीक है. So to strengthen India's ID tech ecosystem by enabling startups, academia, and industry to work closely with UIDAI. ठीक है, तो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, the intention is to create high-tech ID ecosystem. Right? Through SITA, the authority seeks to drive innovation, promote indigenization, and co-develop advanced and future ready identity technologies. कैसे हम आधार को और ज्यादा authentic and कैसे हम आधार को और ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी वाइज एनहांस कर सकते हैं, स्ट्रेंथन कर सकते हैं. दैट इज द आइडिया बिहाइंड दिस पर्टिकुलर स्कीम. ठीक है. एंड द फोकस एरियाज विल बी the biometric devices, authentication frameworks, data privacy, artificial intelligence, and secure identity applications. There will be two, in fact there are two strategic partners for this particular scheme. These are Mighty Startup Hub and NASSCOM. ठीक है, Mighty Startup Hub और NASSCOM जो है इसके दो strategic partners होंगे. क्लियर है जी. तो ये थी सीता स्कीम. आई होप माय डियर फ्रेंड्स इट इज क्लियर. अगर कोई दिक्कत होगी तो आप मेरे से कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. देयर इज यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. द नेक्स्ट इनिशिएटिव दैट हैज बीन लॉन्च्ड बाय नीति आयोग इज वी राइज. राइट. सो आई होप आपको पता होगा दैट नीति आयोग हैज अ प्लेटफॉर्म, women entrepreneurship platform, WEP. ठीक है, इट वाज लॉन्च्ड इन 2018 टू प्रमोट entrepreneurship amongst the women. Right. So under the WEP platform of Niti Aayog has launched an initiative that is called as We Rise. What is the full form of We Rise? We Rise stands for Women Entrepreneurs Reimagining Inclusive and Sustainable Enterprises. Basically, the simple idea behind this particular initiative is to provide entrepreneurship support to the women entrepreneurs. Okay? And it has been launched in collaboration with an organization that is called as DP World. Right? It is through this initiative, Niti Aayog and DP World is going to help the women entrepreneurs in India. Now, how they are going to help them? Okay, the help will be provided to scale the businesses globally through the trade facilitation, mentorship, and strategic partnership. Right, and it has been launched under the Women Entrepreneurship Platforms (WEP's) Award to Reward initiative. Clear है जी? Now, what's going to happen under this program? How it will be implemented? So, the women-led MSME across the country with high growth potential will be identified, and they will be provided mentorship so that they can expand globally, so that they can export their products to the world. ठीक है, but इसमें ध्यान रखना, this is only for the MSMEs number one, and for those MSMEs which have high growth potential, not all MSMEs, and of course women-led MSMEs. ठीक है. Total 100 women entrepreneurs will be provided an opportunity to enhance their export readiness, and some selected entrepreneurs will also get a chance to showcase their product at Bharat Mart in Dubai. Clear है जी? तो ये था We Rise initiative of नीति आयोग. The next news is the SOAR program. ठीक है जी, SOAR program, it is being implemented by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. SOAR stands for Skilling for AI Readiness. Right? SOAR stands for what? Skilling for AI Readiness. The objective, skilling मतलब skill development, AI readiness मतलब skill development for AI. Right? So that is the objective, to integrate AI competencies into India's educational framework. It was launched very recently in the month of July 2025. ठीक है. तो ये न्यूज में इसलिए था अभी अक्टूबर में, बिकॉज देयर वाज सम कोई कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी उसके में इसके बारे में बात की गई थी. तो क्योंकि अभी ये न्यूज में है, सो वी हैव टू डू इट. There are three components of SOAR program. Number one, foster AI awareness. Under this particular component, this program prioritizes cultivating AI literacy among school students and educators. जो स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स और एजुकेटर्स हैं उनके अंदर एआई लिटरेसी को कल्टिवेट करना, दैट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव. एंड अंडर दिस कंपोनेंट foundational AI concepts such as ML basic and ethical AI use have been introduced. The second component is support economic self-reliance. What is it? So it will support India's vision of economic self-reliance by equipping youth with skills for high demand sectors like IT, digital innovation and AI driven industries. Then we have third component, that is build a tech driven India, which is for positioning India as a global leader in AI by preparing its youth for AI driven careers. तो ये तीन कंपोनेंट्स के थ्रू सोर प्रोग्राम इंप्लीमेंट किया जाता है. ठीक है, अब इसके अंदर दो मॉड्यूल्स हैं, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे समझा कि इट प्रोवाइड्स एआई लिटरेसी टू द स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स एंड एजुकेटर्स थ्रू टू टाइप्स ऑफ मॉड्यूल्स. ठीक है, एक तो है सोर मॉड्यूल फॉर टीचर्स विच इज द कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव 45 आवर मॉड्यूल to prepare teachers to deliver AI educations effectively, and of course one is for students, which is there are three actually modules for students, 15-hour modules designed to build the foundational AI knowledge amongst the students. ठीक है, that is the SOAR program. क्लियर है जी? चलिए अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस इन शॉर्ट पे. तो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि क्योंकि दिवाली वीक था दोस्तों, बहुत ज्यादा न्यूज नहीं थी. ठीक है, एवरी मिनिस्ट्री वाज बिजी इन सेलिब्रेटिंग दिवाली, राइट? चलिए, so if you want to have the PDF of this class, just scan this QR code and join the Telegram channel. Where has Google announced the establishment of India's first AI hub? Very important question. With an investment of $15 billion over a period of 5 years. अब इसमें ये भी पूछा जा सकता है how much amount will be invested and कितने पीरियड के लिए और किसने किया है. ठीक है ना, तो जब हम क्वेश्चंस इन शॉर्ट पढ़ते हैं तो उसके अंदर सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए. अब मैंने तो आपसे क्वेश्चन में ये पूछा है दैट वेयर इट इज गोइंग टू बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड, तो आंसर हो गया विशाखापट्टनम. बट दिस क्वेश्चन कैन आल्सो बी आस्क्ड इन अ वे दैट व्हिच कंपनी हैज अनाउंस्ड द एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ इंडियाज फर्स्ट एआई हब, है ना. इन दैट केस द आंसर विल बी गूगल. ये ऐसे भी पूछा जा सकता है दैट Google has announced the establishment of India's first AI hub in Visakhapatnam. What is the expected investment for this AI hub? In that case आंसर होगा $15 billion का. ठीक है ना, तो इस तरीके से जब हम क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट जो ये वाले पढ़ रहे हैं इसके अंदर जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो आपको पता होनी चाहिए. ठीक है जी. Which of the following PSUs has received the HR Excellence Award at the Fortune Leadership Award 2025? It is Telecommunications Consultant India Limited. Very straightforward question. What is the annual rate of inflation based on All India Wholesale Price Index number for the month of September 2025 over September 2024? अभी कल की PIB की क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था, जो नवंबर की चल रही है उसमें अक्टूबर का पढ़ा था. ये अक्टूबर का है इसलिए हम सितंबर वाला पढ़ रहे हैं. सो इट इज 0.13%. Where has the 16th annual meeting of the World Health Organization International Regulatory Cooperation for Herbal Medicines has taken place to promote international cooperation in the areas of safety, quality and efficacy of herbal medicines? It took place in Jakarta, which is the capital of Indonesia. Right? Can you tell me, we have discussed it recently, which organization's headquarters is in Jakarta? Please write down in the comment section. Let's see who can answer this question. What is the headline inflation based on All India CPI for the month of September 2025 over September 2024? जनरली जो क्वेश्चन आएगा दोस्तों इसमें से CPI नंबर जो मंथली आते हैं वो हेडलाइन इन्फ्लेशन या फूड इन्फ्लेशन से ही आएगा. लेकिन अक्टूबर वाला जो था, जो हमने अभी नवंबर में पढ़ा है, उसमें हमने सब कुछ कवर करा है. एजुकेशन इन्फ्लेशन, फ्यूल इन्फ्लेशन, सब कुछ पढ़ा है. तो रिसेंट वाले मंथ का आपको मैक्सिमम जितना ज्यादा आप कर पाओ वो करके जाना होता है. The right answer is 1.54%. Robotics for Good Youth Challenge India 2025 has been organized under the AI for Good Impact initiative of the International Telecommunication Union in collaboration with iHub Foundation for Robotics, Department of Telecommunications and IIT Delhi. Right? And IIT Delhi. Next question, the 4th edition of India-Australia Joint Military Exercise Austra Hind 2025 will take place in Perth, Australia. It actually took place. The Indian Army contingent is being led by a battalion of. The Indian Army contingent was led by the Gorkha Rifles. The right answer is option B. Name the unique citizen-focused platform providing hyperlocal, location-specific weather forecast down to the village level. That is very important question, especially for the people who are targeting NABARD. ये क्या है? ये एक मतलब लोकेशन स्पेसिफिक वेदर फोरकास्ट हमें प्रोवाइड कराता है. द इनिशिएटिव इज कॉल्ड एज मौसम ग्राम. राइट, इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? मौसम ग्राम. Where has the first ever IVF laboratory been inaugurated in northeastern region under Rashtra Gokul mission with an investment of 28.93 crores, which will provide a major impetus to dairy development and breed improvement in the northeastern states. Right, so it has been inaugurated in Guwahati, which is of course is in Assam. The government had developed and launched the PM Gati Shakti district master plans for 28 aspirational districts in October 2025. The plan facilitates geospatial based planning for 5 critical social and economic infrastructures. Which of the following is not one of the sectors? That is the question, very important. ठीक है जी, क्या है इसमें? पीएम गति शक्ति डिस्ट्रिक्ट मास्टर प्लान क्रिएट हुआ है 28 एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए. ठीक है, और उस प्लान के अंदर क्या है? 5 क्रिटिकल सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर फोकस है. तो वो कौन से हैं? तो 5 हैं जी, स्कूल्स, हेल्थ सेंटर, आंगनवाड़ी, रोड्स एंड वाटर पाइपलाइंस. एंड वाटर पाइपलाइन, सैनिटेशन नहीं है. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. Samarth program, a cutting edge incubation program for startups in telecom and ICT sector, was launched by CDOT, Center for Development of Telematics, in March 2025. Which among the following, along with Software Technology Parks of India, is the implementation partner of the program? It is the Indus Entrepreneurs, TIE in short. In short, TIE. अगर TIE लिखा आया तो भी ध्यान रखना. It is, we are talking about the Indus Entrepreneurs. PM Gati Shakti public platform has been launched by the Logistic Division DPIT. It will provide access to selected data sets from the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan, enabling private entities, consultants, researchers and citizens to leverage advanced analytics for infrastructure planning and investment decisions. It has been developed by Bisegen. It has been developed by Bisegen Bhaskaracharya Institute of Space Application and Geoinformatics. The right answer is option C. Ministry of Commerce and Industry has launched the Logistic Excellence Advancements and Performance Shield LEAPS 2025. It is a flagship initiative of DPIT. In how many categories LEAPS 2025 has been announced? अभी इसके रिजल्ट आएंगे तो ऑफ कोर्स इसको हम डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. It has been announced in 13 categories. And the last question for today, a good question. Which of the following airlines has launched Fare Se Fursat initiative to offer a single fixed fare that remains constant regardless of the booking date even on the day of departure? अब आपको पता होगा, अगर आपने फ्लाइट की टिकट बुक करी होगी तो आपको पता होगा. आपने अगर मान लो पेटीएम खोला, ठीक है, 1 सेकेंड, यस, आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. ऑलराइट, सो आपको पता होगा जब आप पेटीएम से फ्लाइट की टिकट बुक करते हो, अभी आपने सर्च करा 4000, आप 1 घंटे बाद सर्च करोगे सेम डे पे, है ना, वो हो जाएगा 4200 या 4400 या 5000, है ना, तो वो बढ़ता जाता है. तो ये जो इनिशिएटिव है अच्छा है अलायंस एयर का. ठीक है, ऑलराइट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दैट्स इट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्लास, दिस पर्टिकुलर बैकलॉग क्लास 18 से 23 अक्टूबर. आई होप all the questions and their explanations are clear. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much. And if you want to have the PDF of this class, just scan this QR code, join the Telegram channel and get the PDFs. Thank you very much. Goodbye, take care, and God bless.